Well, hello, Greeley First Assembly. Nick and George here to help you guys out as we are changing the format of our services, our worship services as a church. You know that as the COVID-19 outbreak has spread through the United States, governors and executive officials have decided to restrict gatherings of 250 or more, then 50 or more, then 10 or more. So technically we're okay with two in the room.
Exactly.
There's
Maybe
not 6 feet. Oh no! But anyway, we are having online services to accommodate our congregation to continue to worship and pray together and stay on the same page as the Spirit leads us through this crisis, and to comply with state officials as well as we do our civic duty as citizens of this country. So we want to get you into our live stream. We're going to be live streaming on Sunday mornings during our 10 a.m. worship service time that we've always had, and at various points throughout the week as well. We would like to live stream with you and include you in what God is speaking and doing in our congregation, even as we're all disconnected physically in the coming weeks. So first of all, you got to know that we're going to be doing most of these on YouTube. Now, YouTube is a platform. It's an online website where pretty much anybody can create an account and post videos of their own creation on YouTube to share with other people. And so that's where we're going to be posting all of our videos, all of our online services as they happen. They'll go right to our YouTube channel. And that's what they call them on YouTube rather than a profile or a page. It's a YouTube channel. So just so you have the right lingo as you're looking for these things.
That's right.
Now, to get there, there's two ways you can do it. The first way, which is probably the easiest way to get directly to our channel, is to first go to our website, www.greeleyfirst.org. Now, once you're there, right now, you'll notice that we have a banner at the top of the website that says online service this Sunday at 10 a.m. If you want to go directly to our YouTube channel to watch live, you want to click the button that says click to watch worship and a special message on Sunday. That takes you directly to our YouTube channel where you will see all of the content that we post on that web page. Now, there is another way. If you don't want to go to our website, if you're already on YouTube, you can just go directly to youtube.com, search Greeley First Assembly, and click on our channel, and you'll find all the same content there. So there's two ways to do it, either right through our website or directly to YouTube. Now, once you get there, you're going to see thumbnails of different videos, little images that are screenshots from videos that we have posted. George, when they get to our channel, Greeley First Assembly, what do they see? When they go to watch an online service, what are they looking for? Tell me what's there.
When you get to the channel, you are definitely going to see the messages, obviously, because we've been posting a long time. So if this is your first time actually on our YouTube page, you're going to be immersed with videos of past sermons, and you can go back and watch Pastor John and Nick preach about the Bible and all of that, whatever God has put on their hearts. So first thing that you want to do when you get to the channel, you have to subscribe. It's good for you because you're gonna want to get notifications from us so that you are informed about what's going on Sunday morning, as Nick mentioned. And so to do that, let me get to my channel, to my profile.
Yeah, let's pretend like George is coming to this screen like he's never seen it before.
Exactly, yes.
Even though he's the one that posts it every single week. So he's coming. Here he is in YouTube. He's going to Greeley First Assembly, so he's doing this the long way. There's that cross. There's our logo, so he clicks on that to get to our channel. All right, so there's the subscribed button already clicked. Let's pretend like you've never... Oh, okay. First time you're on the page. Wow. Welcome to our page, George. Welcome to our channel.
Yes.
What are you going to do?
So the first thing you want to do is subscribe. You know, I just unscribed, so unsubscribe. You have to click that subscribe button for your benefit. Yes, for your benefit. And then you gotta have, so this is not going to work. If you subscribe, it's not gonna have notifications until you hit the bell. And once you hit that bell, it's gonna say, hey, do you want all the notifications? Do you want it personalized? Do you want to do it your own way? You want live watch online services? Do you want all the videos, the sermons? And it will show up here. So I highly encourage just having all of your notifications on.
And they're not really going to get that many notifications notifications
No.
with all posted because
That's
we don't
right.
post videos 4 times a day. I mean, it's not constant notifications. You'll get the notifications that are relevant to what you want to see.
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah. Definitely.
Well, is that all they really need to know for YouTube to be able to watch our services?
That's pretty much it. Unless
Yeah.
you want to linger around, watch a few videos, but that's pretty much it.
We should say you can even subscribe right now
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's true.
before you get finished with this video. If
Yeah.
you look right below us,
Yeah, right
like
there.
right here,
Yeah, right there. You're
you're
right
gonna see that red subscribe button.
Yeah.
So you don't even have to go to our channel.
I think it's right here.
So somewhere down here,
Yes.
there's a red button that says subscribe.
Yeah.
Click that. You don't even have to go find our channel. You'll already be subscribed, and
Exactly.
the notifications will come to you.
Yes.
But otherwise, you're prepared now. If you
Yeah.
don't get a notification, you know where to go. You know
Yeah.
where to see it, and we can't wait to worship with you in that way.
Come on. Yeah.
We'll see you guys soon.